Hi and welcome to section 2 on building Amazon machine images. So in the first video, we're going to look at what is an AMI. So an AMI is nothing but an Amazon machine image. This contains the details required for launching an instance in AWS. The Amazon machine image is a template that contains the root volume. So in the root volume, for example, your OS, your app server, anything that's installed on the root volume, the template is in the Amazon machine image. It also contains the necessary launch permissions. So for example, if you create your own Amazon machine image, you could give permissions to another AWS account to launch the instance. It also contains the block device mapping for any specific volumes which are attached to the AMI itself. Now there are already pre-built AMIs in AWS. So when you launch an EC2 instance, you would be using one of their pre-built AMIs. So let's say you want to launch a Windows-based instance, you would use a Windows AMI. There are also community AMIs available as well. You could also get AMIs from the AWS marketplace. And you can also build your own custom AMI. Now let's go on to the AWS console. Let's have again a look at the AMIs. I also want to show you where you can look at the AMIs for the AWS marketplace. So here we are in the AWS management console. Now if you go on to the compute EC2 section, now let's go ahead and launch an instance. So we are already familiar with this screen. So these are all the pre-built AMIs which are available in AWS. You also have the AWS marketplace. So these are where you could get more custom-based AMIs. For example, let's say you want to deploy a WordPress solution. So there is already an AMI in place for deploying WordPress on a Linux-based instance. So if you want, we can just go ahead and select this AMI. Here it will give you the different details about the AMI itself, what's going to be installed. It will also tell you what is going to be the cost of the software. So for this particular software, there is no cost involved. There is only the cost of running the EC2 instance. So if you want, we can choose this AMI. So I'm just going to go ahead, use the default settings and create an EC2 instance out of this AMI. So I'll leave it as t2.micro. I will leave the instance in the default VPC. I will leave the storage as it is. In the tag, I can add a name tag. In the security group, automatically one security group will be created for me. I can just leave it as it is. I can go to a review and launch, click on launch, acknowledge that I have to keep it, and let me launch the instance. So let me go ahead and view the instance. Now once the instance is in the running state, all the checks are complete. If you take the public IP, let's go over to another tab, and you will see the WordPress site already deployed. So this AMI which we have used already has WordPress installed. So this is how you can make use of the available AMIs in the AWS marketplace.